All right, so what we're going to do today is just add a number of additional layers. We're going to organize some stuff that we've already done, but mainly it's to add additional layers from the GIS system onto the plot maps that we've created. And I'll tell you a secret here, and that's as we're exporting images, you don't want to move or pan your image at all. That way all of our images will be the same and we can scale them in CAD all at the same time and place them, as opposed to having to modify each of these images individually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by turning, well, I guess for demonstration here, I've located my parcel here in our GIS system. And then here where it says select map, actually I guess I'm going to zoom in just a little bit if I can. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so here's my map. I'm zoomed in nice and close. And I'm currently looking at my 2007 image. So I'm just going to start by saving that, which go to print. We're going to do a format of JPEG. And what the best is to use here. I'm just going to do map only. And I'm going to call this 2007 image. And so even though this is worded as print, we can see here it's exported my image nicely there.
Wait, what did you just do?
I'll do it again. So I selected our, where it says base map, I just did my 2000 image and everything else is turned off. And then I went to my print tab here along the top. I did format JPEG. I did map only as my layout. Everything else here, kind of standard. Out of curiosity, I think I'll try a landscape. Let's see how this looks. I might like that a little better. Oh, I do. Well, so it even labels it for me. All right, so I've decided this is the format I'm going to use to export all my maps. So again, to reiterate, what I'm not going to do now is zoom or pan or modify this viewing in any way. That way all of the image I export are going to have the same dimensions and placement, so I'm not going to have to manually place each image individually. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is bring up a different map. So I'm going to go back to my search tab, and where it says select map, I'm going to choose a map to overlay, and I'm going to start here with the assessor's information. So I click on this, and it'll overlay the map, and I just want to show you for a moment what it looks like overlaid so we can piece it all together here. But if you go down to the county, they have at the assessor's office, they have these assessor's maps, and they're just line drawings that have big numbers, and these are all of the parcel numbers. So at least the last portion of your parcel number should be shown inside your parcel. I don't know why mine isn't, but we'll figure that out later. And then before I export this, what we're going to do is we're going to export each of the maps individually. I don't want to actually have them on my background, so I'm going to get rid of this background map here and just show my assessor's map. And this way I can actually overlay it in CAD.
Wait, in these pictures, do we not want our parcel selected?
It's not critical. I'd say.
Is there a way to unselect it?
I guess not that I know of. So,
Okay, well,
select a different parcel.
Then that parcel is going to be selected.
That's fine. Okay, so everything looks good here. So now I'm going to go to print this again. JPEG. I like my 17 by 11 landscape. This is going to be. I'll call this assessor map. I'm going to create this map.
Oh, that's awesome. Thanks.
here's my map. And I have a hunch I actually have to save this image as well. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go save image as. And I'm just going to call this number 2 for now. And this one will be